Alright y'all, greetings once again from Longview, Texas, and today I'll be checking out the car wash that is closest to school. I don't know why. I didn't film this when I first came here over 2 years ago now, but yes, we're going to be checking out the Soapies Car Wash here on Estes Pkwy. This used to be a Shine Time Express, and it's still relatively new, because I know it got only rebranded within the, I think, 2021, I think. And I've heard that this place is cheaper, luckily, than the other place, so that's good. Alrighty. Hopefully I can use a $20 bill, because I can get some change for other washes that I can check out. I'm not sure what your wash options are, but we'll find out. Yes, it does stink. No $100 bill. That's kind of funny. There are your wash options. There's an 8, a 14, and a 19. So yeah, I'll do the 19 and I can pay with the 20, because it looks like I can do that. $1 change, and there we go. Looks like we'll have to wait a little bit. Okay, I just gotta clear the gate. Looks like I can do that. Okay, camera. No, tomato focus mode. This one having a manual focus is handy. Neutral. Now we enjoy the wash. Any second now. Two guys working. I'm assuming they press a button to, you know, release a set of conveyor wheels. Oh, maybe just press the button. There we go. Okay, top brush doesn't work. Dry foam. ceramic punch. Another mirror curtain. This one goes side to side. Dry and shine. And it's just a top brush on, just a top, yeah, towel brush on this tunnel. And I'm gonna have to go in a second, so I just have to push the transmission forward because I don't have to shift. I think we're good. There, put back in drive. Alright. That was the tunnel. Thank you for watching. That'll be it.